Hi guys, unbox with me this new Boya wireless microphone system. And I got this from an online platform. I'll just share the link where I got this. And this is what's inside. So unbox natin, tingnan natin kung anong laman, and we will also test it out. So as you can see, may pouch siyang kasama. Medyo malaki yung pouch from the device, but it's okay. May charging cable, meron na rin yan, instruction manual. And here is our Boya wireless mic. So, nakalalagyan talaga siya. It's because, ayan, nakita yung may fingerprints ko na. It's because charging case na rin siya. So, as you can see, the light indicates yung battery or yung charge ng pinaka-case. And here, naka-default yung jack na pang camera. But then, you also have other inclusions as well. You also have the dead cats. Yan yung pang sa fuzzy end, so that the wind or the noise cancellation, right? So, ayan. So, meron na ring USB Type-C and the lightning cable or the lightning na adapter for iPhone. And here, nakita nyo naman, naka-plastic pa siya and protective pa. So, hindi pa siya nag-charge dun sa case itself. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. O, diba? Satisfying. So, ayan. So, you'll try to see. So, pag natanggal na kasi yung plastic, automatic, nag-charge siya from the case. So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Ayan. So, nakita nyo, naka-red, meaning it's charging already. And matatanggal na lang yung red kapag tapos na. So, let's test this out. So, hi everyone. So, kakaligo ko lang and bumaba ako dito sa my pool area to really check this baddie out. So, ito yung Boya. So, this is the wireless microphone. It comes with this case. I have shown it in the video as well. And nakakabit na rin yung receiver sa phone ko. So, with this one, again, charging case na rin siya. So, ayan, may ilaw. So, ayan yung battery ng case. And ganun mo rin siya i-open. Yan. So, I'm using the other wireless mic. And again, maganda kasi meron siyang dead cat na kasama. O yung pinaka-fuzzy thing sa may dulo. Yon. So, I am using the adapter for the iPhone. So, yan yung gamit natin. And we will test kung gaano kalayo ba ang kaya ng transmitter natin or yung wireless microphone natin. So, let's test this out. So, this is our space kung saan tayo maglalakad. And I'm not sure if marinig nyo ba ako, but I've attached this mic sa damit ko. So, ayan. Attach ko muna dito. And then, lakad tayo. So, let's see gaano kalayo ba. Abot ata dito, no? Dinig ba ako, guys? Amazing kung oo. So, eto medyo malayo na to, mga kapatid. And let's see if dinig nyo yung ingay sa likod ko. But then, if wala, bedim, okay, diba? So, ito naman yung purpose niya. So, let's see if dinig ako dito. Kasi if yes, sobrang ganda kasi sobrang layo na nung kaya niyang makuha. Ayan, babalik na ako sa camera. So, I guess, sagap pa rin dito kasi naglalakad na ako, medyo malapit na ako sa camera. Ayan na nga, and I am back, guys. I am back. So, let's see if nasagap niya ba yung mga boses natin. Yung boses natin. Huwag takutin ang sarili. I'm back, guys. So, na-review ko na rin yung video. And yes, dinig na dinig tayo kahit sa malayong parte ng pool area. And it really shows how good this Boya wireless mic is. So, it's good quality rin. And maganda yung sagap ng boses. Kaya lang medyo may onting ingay kung maririnig nyo. It's because pag hawak ko yung mic, nahawakan ko yung mismong receiver. So, yun yung narinig na ingay. So, I guess I should just clip it here. Wag ko nang tanggalin because I tried to remove it because I'm thinking baka hindi nga dinig. And what's really good here is that you have two receivers. So, pwede kang may kausap, pwedeng dalawa kayo na magpo-vlog, and you can use it easily. And automatic nagpe-pair siya kapag in-open mo. And then, meron na rin siyang ganito. And then, what's also good is, if your phone is Type-C, USB Type-C, you can easily change it. And pwede rin siya sa camera. Though, sa camera ko kasi, kailangan ko ng mas maliit pa na jack. So, I need to find yung adapter para mas maliit. And then, I can use my digital camera for the video as well. So, yeah, that's it. So, I'm done testing the Boya wireless mic, and I'm excited to do more contents with it. And I hope you like this video. Siguro I'll link na lang din below where I got this para if you wanna explore also new brands and new wireless mics for you and your content, and then you can, yeah, check out the Boya wireless mic. Yun lang. Thank you, guys.